when crores of devotees come to Kumbh, what impact will that have? One, on tourism, and two, on economy. With me is India's G20 Sherpa and former chief of the Niti Aayog, Mr. Amitabh Kant. Sir, welcome on India Today. What impact does this have on tourism in UP and in our country?
Huge impact. Every job that you create in UP has a massive multiplier impact. 11 other jobs are created. And therefore what you see, imagine the power of Kumbh Mela. 200,000 tents, close to about 180,000 toilets, eco-friendly toilets, 20,000 sevadans, all of them, plus vast number of sales outlets, plus a huge number of akhadas, the number of swamis who come here, and 45 crore people. Look at the multiplier impact of this on the economy of Uttar Pradesh. It's a massive impact in terms of GDP, massive. More than that, this is an event which will create jobs in the long run. And there is no better, to my mind, holistic event than the Kumbh Mela to create a job, create a massive multiplier impact in both GDP and jobs.
So this has an impact on the economy, this has an impact on tourism. Does it have a long-term impact or a short-term 45-day
No,
long
it has
impact?
a huge long-term impact simply because you create a completely new city. You create a new organization, you create a city which is bigger than France, Italy, Germany, Spain, Portugal, all of them together, 45 crore people. So you see new roads, you see new infrastructure, you see new greening, you see Allahabad being cleaned up, Prayagraj is totally cleaned up. So immense amount of impact. Plus more than that, people who are coming from all over the world, they are not coming merely for Kumbh Mela. They are using this to go to Ayodhya, they are using this opportunity to go to Varanasi. So the multiplier impact of this will be felt in Varanasi, it will be felt in Ayodhya, it will also be felt in Lucknow.
So religious tourism gets a big impact. So it impacts tourism, it impacts and positively impacts the economy of the country.